Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says in triangle OAB, P divides OB in the ratio 1 is to 2, and Q divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 1. Okay, so we will draw a triangle. Suppose this is the triangle. Okay, so we have OAB. Okay, P divides OB in the ratio 1 is to 2. So this is your P, this is your P, 1 is to 2. Okay, Q divides AB in the ratio 2 is to 1. So there is Q, 2 is to 1. Okay, if OQ, let's connect O with Q, and PA, connect P with A. Okay, intersect at R, so this coordinate is R. Okay, let's change the color. Now then find the position vector of R in the terms of the position vector of vector A. A is considered as vector A and B is considered as vector B. Okay, now look at this and try to find out the value of Q vector. Okay, so you can apply section formula, so it will become what? 2B plus A by 3. Okay, so this is your vector Q. Similarly, you guys can find out the value of P vector. So P vector will become what? B vector 2 times 0 by 3. So we got our vector P and vector Q. We need to find out the coordinate of R. Okay, so how we will respond? Suppose that R point, R divides AP in the ratio 1 is to mu. Okay, suppose R divides AP in ratio 1 is to mu. Okay, and R divides OQ in ratio 1 is to lambda. 1 is to lambda. So if we will find any value of lambda or mu, we can find out the coordinate for R. Now we will find out R because of AP. Okay, so R because of AP. So what we will do? We will be writing mu times A plus B by 3 upon 1 plus mu. Then again we will find out R because of OQ. So we will do the same idea, that it is 2B plus A by 3 and then plus lambda times 0 upon 1 plus lambda. So we got both R and both are representing the same thing, correct? So if both are representing same thing, so let's simplify things. So this thing will become 3 mu plus 3 mu A plus B vector upon 3 times 1 plus mu. Similarly, we will do the same job for this part. So 2B plus A upon 3 times 1 plus lambda. So we got things done. Now we will compare both the things because both entities are representing the same idea, so we will compare A and compare B. Okay, so first we will compare A. So coefficient of A in the first part is what? 3 mu by 3 times 1 plus mu. Coefficient of A from this part is 1 by 3 times 1 plus lambda. Okay, now look at this idea. This thing gone. Okay, and we will keep this thing as it is. Later we will solve. Now we will compare B. Okay, so B is what? Coefficient of B is 3 times 1 plus mu is equal to coefficient of B from the below wala part is 2 by 3 times 1 plus lambda. Okay, now we guys will simplify things. We got 1 plus lambda equals 2 plus 2 mu. Okay, now from this part we guys can say that lambda minus 1 by 2 equals mu. Okay, or we guys can say that the value of lambda becomes 1 plus 2 mu. So we will use lambda and we will substitute in this part. Okay, so let's simplify things. So we got mu plus 1 plus mu equals 1 by 3 times 1 plus 1 plus 2 mu. Okay, now let's do the simplification. So it will become 1 by 6 plus 6 mu plus 1 plus mu. So we got 6 mu plus 6 mu square equals 1 plus mu. Do the factorization part. So it is 6 mu square plus 5 mu minus 1 equals to 0. So 6 ones are 6. So can I go with 6 mu square plus 6 mu minus 1 equals to 0. 6 and 6 mu and minus 1 is common. We are left with mu minus 1. So value of mu is what? 1. Value of mu is what? 1 by 6. Mu plus 1. Okay, is that okay? So we got this as the value. Now you know that, look at this. So we got mu. Suppose that mu is 1 by 6. Okay, so if mu is 1 by 6, you guys can update your equation. Okay, so r vector will be what? 3 1 by 6 vector A plus vector B upon 3 1 plus 1 by 6. Okay, do the simplification job. So we got things as, we'll multiply numerator and denominator by 6. So it is 3 times vector A, 6 times vector B. So it is 18 plus 3. Okay, now you guys can take common. So it will become, denominator will become what? 21. Okay, now things will become what? Vector A by 7 plus 2B by 7. So this is your vector R. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.